Ready to update your PayPal account? Let's get started with changing your phone number. This will ensure your account remains secure. First, open the PayPal app or website and log into your account. If you haven't yet, make sure to have your current phone number handy. Navigate to your account settings. This is where you'll find all your personal details, including your current phone number. Now, locate the phone number section. Here, you can see your current number and options to edit or remove it. Click on Edit. Enter your new phone number. Make sure it's accurate to avoid any issues with account retrieval. Lastly, confirm your changes. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Enter that code, and voila! Your phone number is updated. Remember to update any linked accounts, ensuring all notifications go to your new number. Stay connected. If you face any issues, don't hesitate to visit PayPal's help page or contact customer support for assistance. Keeping your contact information current is vital. It helps in securing your account and receiving timely alerts. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your PayPal phone number. Enjoy secure transactions.